Hello dear students, myself Dr. Maddineni Srinivas, Dermatology faculty in Cerebellum Academy. In this video, I have with me Dr. Nandini, who secured 255 rank in this NEET PG 2024. So heartiest congratulations Dr. Nandini on your great achievement.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So in this video, I just want to keep it very simple, keep it stupidly simple. KISS is my agenda in this video. So please tell regarding your experience with dermatology as a subject in your PG preparation.
Yes, dermatology, I have learned it from Cerebellum only in the first place. I have seen the mission classes live for the first time to approach to dermatology, and they are exceptionally good. I was a little scared of, and I thought of neglecting short subjects initially because I thought I'll have only 4 months left. But the way you taught, the facts of the dermatology were just printed in my mind because of the stories you have so craftfully created, and a few specific topics which you have simplified, like magic is STDs, leprosy, vesiculobular disorders. All these topics I didn't have to. It hardly took 5 minutes to revise day before the exam because I just have to go through the story which you told me, and that story ultimately gave away to all the MCQs which were related to those questions. And when the revision course started, and when it was dermatology revision class live, I thought I remembered 90% of the stuff even before revising because the mnemonics were so creatively crafted with so many movie references which these generation kids like. And in between you include some motivational quotes also which are so helpful, and I've taken a few screenshots of those motivational quotes and I've kept it with me, and you've given also a playlist of all the motivational songs which I used to listen when I was feeling low, and it really helped me a lot, sir.
So what was your experience with the exam and discussion sessions in which we gave some questions and you have to attempt them, and after that later on there will be discussion. So what was your experience, Dr. Nandini?
Yeah, when the exam was live and I've given the exam, there were three END sessions, 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0. For the 1.0, when I've given the exam, I did not get all of them correct. I barely got some 80% of the questions correct. And I thought, array, this though, I should have done it right. Why did this go wrong? But in the explanation sessions, when you've told why this is the answer and this is not the answer, that cleared the concept once for all. And few questions from those END's concepts have actually reflected in the exam also. And that time I didn't feel confused about that question because I've already made that mistake once and you have corrected me through your explanation. END's helped me a lot, sir. Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Dr. Nandini, for all the praise. Yes, definitely, this generation likes the explanation or the concepts to be explained in a way which they understand, that and also like that is through movies and also through different funny stories. That is the reason why I took so much time and curated all these stories which will help you to remember STDs, vesiculobular disorders, papillosquamous disorders, and also other small mnemonics. These topics, remember students, they are very important for your examinations. Okay, so if you can have a grip on these concepts, you are going to do great in your examination. I can tell this with great clarity, and also I'm very sure because I have seen since many years these are the topics, these are the concepts which are again and again being asked in various examinations. Do you agree, Dr. Nandini, to what I said?
Yes, sir, absolutely. You have made me remember the whole subject, even without me realizing that I remember most of the stuff. It went effortlessly into my brain, and it also came out very effortlessly in the exam.
Yes. So that was my motto, to make the subject very palatable and also doable. Like all of you know, dermatology is a very scoring subject. It is, you can almost score 100% if you are thorough with the concepts. And because this is an image based subject, so if you have a visually a very nice memory, that is just cherry on the top of the cake. So you are going to do even more better. And you were telling before this recorded session, so how did you feel about the motivational quotes at the end of the classes?
It was so amazing, sir. I used to take a screenshot of those, and I kept a few as of my wallpaper also. Because it made me think. Actually, it sort of changed my perception also on life, on exam, and on stuff, on my mindset. Yeah, that support from all of the cerebellum faculty and from you was just commendable. And
Yes.
when you talk about images, I have when I listened to the live classes, I made my handwritten notes. But I also used RR notes for the images, and the RR notes is so crisp and so informative with all the images wherever needed that it became my one-stop solution for dermatology, along with my handwritten notes for the one day before exam.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nandini. So this is what I wanted all my students to know, that not just trying to memorize the stuff, you have to creatively remember. So for that, I am here for all of you, Dr. Maddineni Srinivas, DrMSD. You can rely upon the material which is provided upon the videos which are in the recorded version. Also, they are available as live sessions. You can also join Cerebellum platform and watch me live, interact with me. You can ask your questions also. And we have the great Q bank, which you can do every day. And you are going to feel the subject is being taught through the Q bank also. And also the ENDs and the marathon sessions in Cerebellum Academy, they are going to help you at the end for your revision. So this was the journey of Dr. Nandini with the dermatology subject. And I thank Dr. Nandini a lot for giving all these valuable inputs related to dermatology subject on Cerebellum Academy.
Thank you, sir. It was my pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And I am very happy that I was a part of your success journey.
Yes, sir. It was my pleasure.
And yes, all the very best, Dr. Nandini. Please do great research and join in whatever seat you wish to join in this counseling.
Yes, sir. I will do that.
And also students might be asking some queries related to dermatology or broad questions. So for those students who do not know, there is going to be a recorded version of the interview with Dr. Nandini on Cerebellum Academy. So you can check that out. It is going to cover all the topics, all the subjects related doubts which you might be having. So in this video, you can ask anything related to dermatology. So Dr. Nandini is going to answer your queries in this video also.
Yes, I'm happy to help. I'm happy to help all my juniors. Yeah.
That's so nice of you, Dr. Nandini. Thank you so much. It was very nice talking with you. So all the very best. And if you like this video, please do hit the like button. And if you are not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do subscribe and share this to your friends who are having confusion regarding how to prepare for dermatology. Okay. Thank you so much, friends. All the very best. Bye-bye.